Navigate to this link. If you require assistance, our helpful AI can assist you. She can provide assistance with anything from pricing info to assisting with appointment booking and much more. For example, simply ask her to book a cleaning appointment. Not in the mood to chat? You can also fill out a quick form by clicking the Forms button. Click Cleaning Service Booking Form. Simply fill out the booking form and submit it. You can also click Instant Quote to manually book an appointment. Select the service you desire. You will be automatically redirected to the booking page of your desired service. Simply fill out the booking form located on the booking page. Note, it starts with the zip code of your service address. Select the Type of Cleaning option. Select the frequency of the cleaning, which refers to how often you require the cleaning to take place. Select the number of bedrooms and bathrooms your home has. If it is a partial cleaning, you may select the Partial Cleaning Only option, which will allow you to remove sections of your home, thus indicating to our staff that you only require cleaning in select portions of your home. Select from the wide range of square footage options we have available. Indicate whether you have pets, such as cats or dogs. This option does assist our staff with ensuring we don't send anyone to your property that may have a specific pet allergy. Select any additions you require. These are often not items already included in a specific booking package. If it doesn't populate, it's likely already included. Add the additional info. Select a service date and time. Note, the date picker will always populate in the current month, so be sure to select the desired month by clicking the blue arrow icons to change the selected month. Select a date. Select a time. Fill in the required contact information. Click the Send Me Reminders about my booking via text message, only if you wish to receive booking reminders, etc., via text message from our automated booking system. Note, the address field will auto-populate an address. Simply type in the street number and street name, then select from the dropdown. Key information and job notes will allow you to identify to the cleaning technicians how they will gain access to your home and will allow you to address any specific concerns you may have. For instance, you may choose to hide a key under the front doormat. If you happen to have a gift card or coupon code, you may enter here. Note, the booking summary will auto-adjust with every selection you make. This includes adding gift cards and coupon codes, so be sure to scroll up if you have made any changes or added any codes to your booking. Click Learn More to see how discounts are applied. To complete the booking process and to receive a booking confirmation via email, we do require that you place a card on file, even if you are paying via cash or via the app payment method. This ensures that there are no disruptions in the booking process. Should you not wish to maintain a card on file, we suggest that you contact us directly and speak with a booking coordinator. No worries, we will not charge your card until the date of service. We do place a 24-hour hold on your card. However, this is just a hold. Our payment process is secured with 256-bit security encryption as provided by Stripe, and our automated system has safeguards to prevent duplicate charges and other common charge-related issues. Be sure to check the Terms and Conditions box as this is required for all bookings. Lastly, be sure to click Book Now in order to save the booking and receive the confirmation via email. A booking coordinator will contact you if there are any discrepancies with your booked appointment on our end. Note, the booking will only save if all required fields are entered. Any field that is identified by a red prompt is not complete and must be complete prior to the booking being properly saved. Congratulations. Thank you for taking the time to watch our how-to video on how to book appointments online with CleanServices Jacksonville. We hope this has been educational. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to consult our newly integrated AI assistant. You can also email us at info@cleanservicesjacks.com and text or call us at 904-447-5668 with any questions.